Hello, welcome to Ayuka Cypher. I am Tushar Purohit, and today we are discussing about how to take a little images or a small video with the help of the telescope of solar eclipse. Okay, when I am saying a solar eclipse, okay, you have to be careful because observing a directly sun through the telescope is it will create a blindness. It will burn your eyes. So, especially for this, we require a different solar filters. So, I have this solar filter along with me. So, this is my solar filter. Okay, this is a ready-made solar filter which I am going to use for my telescope. This is a black polymer solar filter. I can use this particular thing or I can make another solar filter with the help of paper or a cardboard actually. So I have designed this another filter. Okay, it's a cardboard thing and I have made this small window. Alright, and on this window I have pasted this solar filter. So you will find, so this is the idea. I have pasted this thing. And before doing this thing, you have to check everything. So what is the use of this? I can directly paste this particular thing in front of my telescope. Alright. So I will paste it on the edges of the telescope. It's slightly smaller. So what I will do, I will put a bigger one and on the same thing I will put this solar filter in this window. So it will adjust and appear like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will directly paste it in the front of my telescope or everything what I am saying. So while using this solar filter, I can use even the solar goggle. I have cutted this solar goggle and pasted on this. I have made this cap before doing the or observing the solar eclipse. So you have to check each and every small things. Okay, it's basically it's related with our eyes. Okay, so you have to take a maximum precaution while playing with this solar filter and sun projection. If you don't have this solar filter, then don't try along with the telescope. If you have tried this prior before doing the photography or using a camera for doing this particular expedition, all right. So I can check this solar filter. How to check this solar filter? I will just take it in front of my eyes and I will check out the light. If my light source is uniformly visible from this all the parts of the solar filter, then it's perfectly fine. If there is a small pinhole in this particular solar filter, then this solar filter is not useful or not. Don't use this type of the solar filter. And always keep in mind, we generally have a habit to touch the screen. So be careful. You don't have to touch the solar filter. It's the solar filter is coated from the front side. It is maximum reflect 99% light. Only the 0.1% light passes through this solar filter. This is a small window. It reduces the actually intensity of the sun. Now, after the solar filter, what we require, if we are going to use the mobile camera, then we require a special adapter which actually fit your mobile. Okay, so you can fit your mobile and there is a center. So you can adjust your mobile with the help of this, then lock it properly, and this particular thing you can directly adjust on the eyepiece of the telescope. Alright, so instead of playing with this bigger telescope, what I am going to do, I don't have required a magnification. I require the images or the small video. So I have this another small telescope, what we call as a monocular. It's a single eye, or you can also use the binocular for this. So I can view the thing. And what is the benefit of this? This particular adapter is fit to this particular monocular very properly, tightly. So I can adjust my camera along with this, and I will put this particular instrument on the top of the stand. For the purpose of this, keeping what you require, which type of the stand, even a small photography stand or camera stand, it's useful for this. There is a small hole which will help us. So I will directly put the camera adapter here, and it will stand on my tripod. Once I will do this, I can adjust my mobile and check out the center of my mobile camera and the center of the telescope or my monocular or binocular. I will just adjust it. So I can adjust slowly, I can tilt this, so I can change the position of the mobile. Alright, so I will just show you how to fit this thing. Now I will show you exactly how to do this. This particularly use everything. Then I have a camera, okay, mobile camera. There are the two different things. One actually camera exactly focuses the thing. So what I will do, I am just going to focus this particular thing. Okay, align the center of this thing, align this thing, align exactly, then lock the thing. Okay, once you adjust the thing, my center of this, now I have started this camera, and with the help of this camera I can check if my center is not available. Visualize, I will just going to check this. Now it's showing me the clear image. Okay, so my center is aligned. Alright, now I will fit this particular thing on this particular instrument, and I will just on the camera. So now you can able to see my camera is so it is showing me the something. It's a circular in shape. So I will just adjust the thing. It's a practical, you can adjust particularly. So the complete view of the telescope should be visible in your mobile thing. So that is for this purpose you require a little practice. So don't try all these things at the time of eclipse. Try it before the eclipse. And when I am going to place this particular thing, then the most important thing, I have this ready-made filter which is available in a market. So I bought this particular thing, so I can use this particular pinhole camera. This is a small refractor telescope. There is a lens and there is an eyepiece. I can use this filter for this. So I will just lock the screw from the outside. then I will make sure that it should not come out. So it has came out. So we have to tighten it properly. And check everything. So my total setup is ready, okay, for observation. But how to point particularly sun? Difficult. So for purpose of this, what I have done a little idea. So before placing this particular solar filter, what I have done, I have taken out one chart paper and I have cut it the exact diameter of this particular telescope. Okay, now what I will do, I will just place this particular chart paper in front of this. Okay, so what is the use of this? Once it is open, so it will cover the light, ambient light, so you can very sharply look at a screen also and you can observe the thing. Now I will place my solar filter. So what will happen when I am using? Can you see the shadows are here? When the sunlight passes through, it will cast a shadow on this particularly on this paper. So what you have to do, you can adjust your stand and particularly the monocular such as it should not show you the particularly a shadow like a zero shadow day. What we do, or generally what we know, if the shadow of this is completely vanished, that means it becomes a parallel or to the sun. So easily you can able to see a sun. So now you can place the thing particularly, but still there is a problem. What? My camera is completely open. So what I will suggest you, while doing this thing, you can put a rubber tape or a hair band in this for making this particularly mobile as a safety. Okay, and do it before the solar eclipse. Try out this thing. Now I can just go out and show you how to project the things. Now I fitted my mobile along with this adapter and the mobile thing to this particularly my instrument or the monocular. So you can able to see a far away mobile tower which is visible in this particularly in this field. So I am just showing you this. Okay, and that is visible. This is a visible. Okay, so that can be visible through this particularly on this monocular screen. So what basically, so the center of the camera of mobile and the monocular both are adjust as, so it will take the images or the whatever the things are visible through the monocular, so mobile can take the images of the same. Once I have adjusted this particular thing, so now I can just put or the add a solar filter in front of this telescope, and now and slowly I will try to focus this particularly the sun, and while doing this the mobile is just lying completely open. So I will suggest you can put a rubbers on top of this, so mobile should not fall down.